Most wallets stop at crypto. Bron keeps going. Bron integrated with Sumsub and Noah to deliver a seamless on and off ramp between fiat and crypto. Sumsub handles secure identity verification, while Noah, a best-in-class fiat infrastructure partner, runs the buy and sell engine behind the scenes. The result? The wall between fiat and crypto disappears. Buy crypto directly from your bank account via Noah. Sell, and the funds land right back in it. And thanks to Noah's global reach, you can pay bills and services in local currency across more than 100 countries, initiated from your Bron wallet. Need to cover school fees abroad? No big deal. Now you can do it with crypto. Whenever fiat is involved, Sumsub and Noah handle identity verification and KYC. You verify once, and you're set across every workspace and account. Sumsub's simple verification covers most transactions, while Noah reviews the origin of the assets to establish higher limits subject to Noah's compliance procedures. One wallet, fiat in, fiat out. Crypto everywhere in between. That's the Bron on and off ramp. Bron, built for a new era